This 2025 Gulf Stream Aluma-Lite 236RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 28 feet 1 inch in length and features a smoke interior, sleeps 6, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, slide-out, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, skylight, external shower, awning, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Gulf Stream Aluma-Lite 236RL is 5,342 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.